Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to transfer your Amazon gift card balance to your bank account in 2025. A lot of people don't know this, but Amazon doesn't allow you to directly move gift card funds into your bank. However, I'll walk you through a simple workaround that takes just a few minutes and gets the job done. So stick with me until the end. I promise you'll have your balance ready to move. Let's get started. Redeem your Amazon gift card. First, you'll need to sign in to your Amazon account on Amazon.com. Once you're in, head over to your account settings. From there, click on Redeem a Gift Card. Now type in your gift card code and click Apply to Balance. This will load the gift card amount into your Amazon account, so it's ready for the next step. Use Amazon Pay to send money. Now that your gift card is in your balance, go to Amazon Pay. Look for the option that says Send Money. This is the key feature we'll be using. From here, you'll want to choose bank transfer as the transfer method. Transfer the balance. Next, you'll need to enter your details. You can either transfer the funds to a trusted friend or another account that can receive direct bank deposits. Then enter your bank account information, your account number and routing number accurately. Double check these before submitting to avoid delays. Once confirmed, Amazon Pay will process the transfer and the money will land in your bank account. And that's it. You've successfully moved your Amazon gift card balance into your bank account using this quick workaround. Always make sure you're only sending money to accounts you trust. Check your bank information carefully so there are no errors. Transfers may take a little time to process, so don't worry if it doesn't show up instantly. So now you know how to unlock your Amazon gift card balance and put it directly into your bank. Super simple, right? If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and share this video with someone who might need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.